In the final episode of our Growth Mission series, to shine a light on how to access funding support available, we've spoken to BGF, a company which has provided support for hundreds of businesses.
What we offer is support. It's much, much more than just capital. And we believe, SMEs are doing a fantastic job out there, but many businesses, particularly those who are pursuing a more ambitious growth strategy, will often benefit from help. And we provide help in lots of different ways to support the teams evolve over that period. We've invested in about 80 businesses to date in manufacturing. So it's for us, we've built up a lot of insight and experience over the years. Over half of our portfolio are exporting, for example. So lots of experience in different ways in which we can support the businesses that we back.
Perhaps you can give us an example of a manufacturing business that you're working with and helping grow.
Probably best to do one that we've actually invested in and indeed actually come out the other end of. I think they're often the best examples. So there's a business in Northern Ireland. So again, I think interesting. Northern Ireland's probably historically not the most active market for private equity, but a family business, Uform, which we got to know over a period of time. A family business, it's a second generation, looking to expand, considering options. They thought they probably wouldn't do a private equity transaction, but they were very attracted to our offering, and we backed them a good few years ago. Made a fantastic time of several years. I think it was about 40% growth over the period, investing in new facilities, building the team out, lots of different ways in which we supported the business. And then ultimately, the shareholders chose to exit to a private equity firm. And we liked it so much, and we still do. And like the team, we actually chose to reinvest alongside the incoming investor.
Where can people learn more about BGF and what you can offer SME manufacturers?
Well, I think the easiest place, Nick, would be the website. So the website has got a wealth of detail on our offering, on local teams, our track record, case studies, businesses that have been in the portfolio. So in the first case, I would really urge anyone remotely interested, have a look at that. Find out who your local team is. We've mentioned earlier, very strong regional presence, so very important you talk to the local team and have a conversation. I would encourage anyone who's just thinking about, do they, don't they, far better to at least have the conversation, explore, and you might get a sense of whether that suits for you. We're often backing businesses that, frankly, we have met many, many years before the actual point in which we invest. So they get in touch and follow us. We've got newsletters that come out, and that you can sign up to those on the website. And we have an extensive LinkedIn profile as well, which will give anyone a good insight into what we're doing.
If you have any questions or need advice on funding available to help scale up your manufacturing business, get in touch with Make UK.